In this video, we're going to have a look at the inline edit facility where you can select a view, click on a line and edit data within it. So we're just going to have a quick look at how we do that. Inline editing on a view typically refers to the ability to edit or modify data directly within the view itself. So as you can see from this, I've got a filter set. I've got a bunch of data that I want to work on. And effectively, I just want to update some data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can do it rather than exporting the data out. I can do it directly into a view. It sort of allows the user to make quick changes to your view without having to disrupt your workflow. So you can work within the view itself and actually, update your data where it's allowed. The inline edit functionality is commonly used in web applications or software interfaces that deal with tabular or grid-like data. So you can see, we've got a view that we've created. We can sort it. We can have a look at what's missing. We can filter elements, and then, we can work on specific rows like I'm doing here. The feature enhances your productivity and convenience by eliminating the need for additional steps to edit the data, such as exporting the data, working on it, and then re-importing it. So let's have a look at how you actually set these features up. So the first port of call is that the field itself has to have inline editing enabled. So if the property exists on the field, and this is for administrator, you need to go to the advanced field properties and check this box. So the field allows inline editing from view pages by clicking on the item. So this is really for we can see here the LTE frequency field. So this is for administrators. So to check this, you're going to go to the field definition on the object that you're on. Have a look. Now we'll find our frequency range. I think we were working with. We'll just check it. So just go into edit it. So go into the field, and we can see, when we go down to the advanced properties, this field allows inline editing from a view page by clicking the icon. So if you want to disable it, you can just literally disable it by switching on or off that field property. Not all fields have this facility. It's mainly text fields and picklists that you can use within this. So if we return to the PIM, you can start to see how you can use that. You can also choose to disable the inline editing option for the entire list, view in the grid. So if you this again is for administrators, just go to the designer page option. You're going down to your grid, which is this list of products, and in some instances, if we look at this, we've got disable inline edit. So this is basically, if you switch it on, it won't allow it for the row, which is useful. So working with the view itself, you can basically sort fields. Very easily you can see where data's missing. You could filter the data just to check, if you wanted to add and say where something's empty, so you just get that list. You can also export the list if you so wish, but the point of inline editing is that you're looking to action the data in the grid itself, so you don't have to export or import, but it gives you that view of the data to see that what's missing in that. So when you've finished editing the record, you just basically click it and save it. So it's double click into the record, put your values in along the line, the record will be updated.